crowd of people in security following Channing Tatum into the theater. Alright, we managed to get the tickets. They're separate, but whatever. We're gonna see the movie with Channing Tatum and Salma Hayek. This is crazy. We're actually going in the theater. Welcome back, everybody. Today we are on Lincoln Road for a special red carpet event for Channing Tatum's Magic Mike movie. He's actually gonna be here. And so will Salma Hayek and other celebrity guests. So it should be starting in about 20 minutes. And then we get to see the movie ahead of time before everybody else, so join us.
We were given these trucker caps and a pre-screening wristband upon entering the red carpet viewing pen. We watched as content creators, likely from TikTok, walk the red carpet along with members of the Magic Mike live show. Dancing didn't stop there. It continued even on the red carpet.
Close your eyes!
There was also Elvis Crespo on the red carpet, whose hit song Suavemente was featured in the movie, and I was fortunate enough to get a picture with him after the screening. And now finally, it was time for the main stars of the movie to arrive.
Just standing here for a bit, they are clearing everyone off the red carpet. It looks like Channing Tatum, Salma Hayek, and others are about to hit the carpet. It's not red, by the way, it's black. Salma Hayek is about to hit the red carpet. She's right there.
Okay. Well, I'll ask you this, okay? Miss Salma Hayek. No, baby. Clear the red carpet, y'all. She's here. Yeah, that's over here. Don't look over here. Look over there. Get your cameras out. I'm telling you, you're going to be able to tell your grandkids I was there.
Channing Tatum is approaching the carpet right now.
Yes,
He's right there.
Channing, Channing, Channing. Why I just hear myself? Can I hear y'all? Channing, 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 hey Channing, hey Channing, hey. Y'all gotta get excited if y'all want him to come on into this carpet. Let me hear it. Oh, he's here, y'all.
Look at how crazy this is.
Mr. Channing Tatum.
There he is. There she is, and the director of the movie. What are you saying?
Give it up for Reed Carolyn, the producer and writer. Yeah,
Woo! Got people here trying to get their signs autographed. Channing Tatum is all the way over there. He's currently doing an interview. What'd you think?
I'm like in shock. I wish I was closer because he's right there.
Yeah, he is. He's right there. Just finished with the red carpet. It was actually black, but we do have tickets to the movie, first come, first serve. If we don't get the ticket in time, we might be out of luck. So let's go ahead and find out where we can redeem our ticket. I don't think we will have a chance to see the movie early. Unfortunately, we stayed too long on the red carpet, but of course, the main event was Channing Tatum and Salma Hayek. I think they exit through here, so there's a lot of security guards, as you can see. So I did manage to get a screening ticket. Unfortunately, only one, because I'm not sure where the other tickets are. They're kind of being spread out, and obviously I need to bring my girlfriend in, and I don't know. I only have one, so I don't know if I can exchange this for two that are next to each other. It's gonna be difficult. It's also past 7 when the start time was. You guys can see 7. It's past that right now. I'm not sure. The red carpet's still going on, by the way. Looks like Salma Hayek is exiting right now, as you can see with all the security and commotion. This is, by the way, the movie theater where the movie is screening. And it's also set to close. It's one of the theaters that Regal is closing across the country. Here comes Channing Tatum.
Back up, back up.
A crowd of people in security following Channing Tatum into the theater. Alright, we managed to get the tickets. They're separate, but whatever. We're gonna see the movie with Channing Tatum and Salma Hayek. This is crazy. We're actually going in the theater to watch them. Alright, we are in the building. Again, separate seats, but whatever. Oh, you're in a separate wait, no. I'm not sure. It says theater 18 and theater 17. So confused. There they are. Channing Tatum, Salma Hayek. Guys, they have security. They have metal detectors. This is crazy. They got complimentary drinks. I don't know. Oh, and popcorn too.
He is tall. He's like 6'2", 6'3". You can get the
is as close as I'm ever gonna get to making a fantasy spectacle. As far as I'm concerned, this is a superhero movie. And I define a superhero as someone who has a gift or a power that the rest of us do not have.
We just finished watching Magic Mike. I'm not sure if we can say anything about it. I know there's embargoes. The movie doesn't come out till February 10th, I believe.
I think so.
But we did get to see the movie. And what did you think?
It was I loved it. It was good, definitely.
She's seen the Magic Mikes in the first one, right?
Yeah, the first one. I don't remember seeing the second one though.
I have not seen any Magic Mike movies. This was my first time, so it was a little bit. I didn't expect it to. You guys will see, and you probably know what I'm talking about if you've seen the other Magic Mikes. I'm assuming they are the same in terms of dances.
Yes.
That's the whole theme of the movie. It kind of caught me off guard, but regardless, I love the movie. I don't know if I can talk about it, so I'll just give my rating. I think I give it like a 9 out of 10. The dance moves were really cool. The casting was perfect. The length of the movie was just right, and I loved that it took place, at least in the beginning, in Miami Beach. So it's really cool to see it in Miami Beach. You guys saw Channing Tatum he was inside my auditorium. We were at different ones. I don't know. You said you had the director?
But he was just there at the beginning, so we didn't really have anyone.
Yeah, the director spoke inside my auditorium. I don't know where he went, probably to her right after. But Channing Tatum, as you guys saw, came into the same auditorium I was in, sat down. They had some really bright lights so we wouldn't record him. But yeah, like when he was going to sit in his chair, there was like a spotlight I've never seen in a movie theater. And it pretty much blinded my camera. So if I cover the light with my hands, I can kind of see him. So I did see him sitting down. But I guess before the movie ended, he left early, so probably so he wouldn't be swarmed. But he did see the movie with us, technically, most of it. And the movie was great. So yeah, and thank you to your sister for giving us this invite. Did take a picture with Elvis Crespo. Am I saying that right? Elvis Crespo. Whose hit song Suavemente was featured in the movie. You guys may be familiar with that, but so yeah, right now I'm hungry, so I think we're gonna go get something to eat. We are back at home. Magic Mike's Last Dance was a 9 out of 10. Again, thank you to my girlfriend's sister, Kat, for inviting us out to go see it. You guys saw all the footage of the red carpet, and we had Channing Tatum in the same theater watching it with us, along with the director as well. So that was a really cool experience, and the experience I don't think many people get to have. I wonder what was going through his head watching live reactions to a movie he spent a better part of a year filming. I don't know how long it took to film the movie, but I assume it's a pretty surreal experience seeing live reactions. People were cheering on, laughing, all that good stuff. And then he was escorted out at some point during the movie because he wasn't there when the movie ended. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell button. You'll be notified each time I upload a new video. And with that said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.